Crikey, you never tire of that car on a cold start. It sounds superb. Sneaky little cappuccino today. Hello everybody, what's happening? My name's Neil. Welcome along to Midlife Motors. And today, well, today's crikey, not gone well. The last few days have not gone well. We've had some beautiful weather here recently, and as a result, the convertible cars have been getting driven. And both of them have got faults now, and one of them's really can't be used because of it. The Mercedes is in shot just now, so we'll deal with that one first because it's the one that's kind of clickbait. It's not really too bad. So I'm going to swap over to the other camera. We're going to have a quick look. And then we're going to go to the Mazda because she's not happy. She's not a happy car. I can never get over how mega this car looks. It just looks so mean. I mean, they're quite a pair together, aren't they? Sort of little and large. Bit dusty, bit of brake dust because, like I say, it's been getting used. Bit of fly splatter, but it's been taking everything in its stride. Really have been enjoying using this car this year. First real time of using it. Many days in a row, and it's just been great. So what is wrong with it? Well, it's not too bad. The air conditioning stopped working. I can hear the fan clicking on, but there's obviously a hose that's gone. I don't know, maybe it's the condenser. I just don't know. So it's powering up, but no cold air's coming through. Not the end of the world, of course. All you do is flick the roof back, but it needs to be fixed. Fortunately, this car's due an MOT and a service next month. The garage that it goes to is also an air conditioning specialist, so they'll do the whole shooting match. Now, before we jump over to this car and I start pulling what's left of my hair out, I've ordered an X pipe for this, so it's going to get a little bit louder. It's going to be a little bit noisier. We're going to have some sounds to hear, but I'm not going to go on too much about this. I think we'll do a video of where we got it from, how much it costs, how easy it was to fit, what you have to do to make sure no management lights come on. So that's coming. That should be good. I love this car. I freaking love this car. Now, this one. Let's have a little bit of a think. Right then, what's wrong with this thing? Well, I've got the bonnet up, but I don't think it's engine related. I've got a knocking noise that seems to be coming from the suspension. Now, it started more or less the day after I did the its 5-year anniversary when we did the video, and you know, I've gone for this massive high to a bit of a low because it's just getting progressively worse and worse and worse to the point now where I'm not comfortable driving the car. It all started seemed to be when you were going at low speed with a lot of lock on, you know, like over a speed hump, off the drive, that sort of thing. But it's just got progressively worse and worse and worse. You can even, it's so bad now, you used to not notice it when you were driving, but now you can feel it when you're driving. You can feel it sort of on both sides of the car. You can actually feel it at your feet. You can feel a sort of a knocking noise. It's a clunking noise. It's quite bad. I'm going to try and take it for a drive just around the block here to try and replicate it, but I need some comments, folks. I need to know. A few people suggested that it might be the drop links. Apparently they're a weak point on these cars, but we've had it up on the ramp. We've disconnected the drop links and it's still doing it. I don't know if disconnecting the drop links has eradicated that as the problem, but it's just bad. So I'll shift this thing out of the way. We'll go kind of steady, and we'll see what we can do, because I'm scratching my head here. Everything, like I say, is tight. There was nothing obvious. Obviously we changed the suspension. We dropped it down 25mm on the eyebash springs, but a lot of people are running the eyebash springs and I'm not sure they're having the same dramas. No, I don't think we heard it there. That didn't work. Did you hear it? Say hello. Typical, it probably won't do it now. There we go. That was the start of it. There you go. You can hear that. That's with a lot of lock on. It does feel like the vibration seems to be coming from my feet. You can hear it there just when we're driving along and we hit a pothole. I'll do another turn here. See? It's happening all the time now. I'll try and do a... I'll keep quiet.
That's not good, is it? Sounds horrible. So you might be able to pick it up from outside here, so we shall see. But you can hear it every time I'm turning the wheels. Would it be the steering? Could it be a... Yeah, that's doing it badly. It's just getting worse and worse and worse, which is probably a good thing. Please like, share and subscribe. Please comment below. Sorry about the negative video. I generally try and make them positive. Because it's our cars, they're meant to be fun, but this isn't. Mazda, what are you doing to me?
I think it caught and picked up some of
Oh, it was really noisy in here.
the